So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to turn off scam detection on Messenger. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the Messenger app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Now see, this is the inbox of your Messenger, and you should have to tap on menu icon which is available on the lower corner of right side. So tap on it. Now tap on setting icon and scroll down below and tap on privacy and safety. Scroll down below, then you can see the option of scam detection. So tap on it. Now tap on turn off button which is available on the right side of the screen. Confirm it either you want to turn off or not. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.